But this is what I really wanted to show you guys. If you've been following the channel at all, you have seen this car around for a long time. What's up, everybody? This is your garage update for Thursday, April 25th. We are in the final 5 days of quadruple entries to take home this 1969 Chevelle Supercharged 1,000 horsepower Chevelle. This car is absolutely incredible. Make sure you check out the build sheet for that. Again, we're in the last 5 days of quadruple entries. That means Tuesday, the 30th, last day of April, whatever that is the last day to enter and get quadruple entries. So every dollar you spend on RestoMods.com, you're gonna get 4 entries to take home that Chevelle and $50,000 in cash, which is our biggest cash prize ever. It's crazy. I want to take this opportunity to tell you guys that, and then also show you what we've got going on in the garage. So let me flip this camera around and we will take a quick tour. So obviously right here, I've got RM26, which is also RM22, this supercharged 1969 Chevelle. If you haven't seen this car already, make sure you check out the YouTube channel and the build sheet on this. It's absolutely incredible. It took us 2 years to build. It's a beautiful car. I don't know how else to explain it. You should take the time and really give this thing a look. It's incredible, one of a kind, maybe the nicest 69 Chevelle on the planet, and it could be yours, but all of our last winners have gotten in during a bonus period. 4 times entries is the biggest bonus multiplier we offer, and we're offering it only for another 5 days. So head over to RestoMods.com, claim those 4 times entries to win this Chevelle and 50 grand. Since you're on YouTube, if you're not already subscribed to our channel, we're giving away this 1975 Ramcharger. You can see we're in the process of building it right now. When we get to 100,000 subs on YouTube, we are gonna give this to one lucky subscriber. We've done a whole video series on this. So if you haven't seen this truck yet, we bought it. It was actually in pretty good shape. We drove it a bunch and then we decided to give it the full Restomods treatment. So we took it all the way down, did a bunch of bodywork rust repair to it, painted this beautiful black. We're gonna do some vinyl striping. It's got this bed liner material on the lower half. This truck's gonna be beautiful. We're obviously gonna do wheels and tires. This is the original numbers matching 440. Obviously we added a little Fi-Tech on top there. And we're gonna do a full custom interior. We've already redone the suspension. We're gonna do wheels and tires, all kinds of stuff on that. So that's still in progress. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's all you gotta do to get entered to win this truck right here. When we get to 100,000 subscribers, we are gonna give this truck away to one lucky subscriber. So nothing else you need to do except for subscribe to the channel and you'll be entered to win this truck. Let's see. This is an LT4 68 Camaro. You guys have seen this one before. Really beautiful car, TMI interior. I'm not even sure. Oh, you know what we were doing here? We were polishing up these wheels. We were debating changing the wheels. Let me know what you guys think about these wheels. We were able to get the stains out that we were concerned about. In here, there was some staining on these wheels, but they polished them up really nice, actually. They look great. So really cool car, 6-speed car. Little houndstooth interior, all TMI, all custom interior. It's got the original center console in there. Very cool car. And again, that's a supercharged LT4 underneath the hood. But this is what I really wanted to show you guys. So if you've been following the channel at all, you have seen this car around for a long time. This is a 67 Chevelle. We got this car, I wanna say like 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, and it was just a rolling chassis.
What is this old rusty vehicle doing in our driveway?
Not that rusty. This is the start of another giveaway car.
Still is just a rolling chassis, but we took it off of its original frame. We put it on this Roadster Shop chassis, so you can see this Roadster Shop chassis it's sitting on now, and the cradle right here. And then, let's see, this thing is gonna get the same 427 that is in RM26, just without the blower. So still like crazy 650 horsepower, high compression LS style V8 from Blueprint. We've already got it here. Actually, we just got this back from paint. So I wanted to show you guys some of the paint and body on this thing. If I can figure out how to work this gimbal. So this looks almost black, but if I turn and look and give you guys some light on this thing, you can see it's actually like a forest green, and this color is just super cool. It's got a lot of metallic flake in the paint. trying to show you guys this. I don't know if it's coming through on the video, but as you can see, just a shell in here. We're gonna do full custom interior. You can see it's all been dynamatted. All the sound deadening is all in here. And we just think the color came out incredible. And again, this thing's gonna get a 427 blueprint. I think it's over here, actually. Let's see if we can find it. Where is it? Yep, there it is. That's it, it's hiding down there. But it's the same engine that we put in blue. It's the same engine that's in RM26 without the blower. So high compression, LS style V8, doing about 650 horse. So that 67 Chevelle is really coming together. Gonna be really cool, gonna be really fast, and it's gonna have this cool dark forest green metallic paint. Probably with like a dark tan interior. Let us know what you guys think we should do with the color combos there. I think we're gonna go bronze wheels with the dark forest green, so it should be cool. Of course, we've also got the 68 Charger body that we got from Mopar's 5150 up here. And then here's the Hellcat that is gonna go in that car. So you can kind of get a picture of all of it right there. This Hellcat engine is gonna go in this car right here. And that'll get done just as quick as we can. But in the car building world, realistically, this thing's probably at least a year out. And then of course, over here, we've got the 70 Charger. This is the red one. And as you can see, it's missing some stuff up here. So this thing's about to go to body and paint. We were originally going to switch it out with the 67 Chevelle. It didn't exactly line up for that. We were still getting the engine bay prepped. You can see we did a little wiper motor delete. So this car is going to be wiper delete. Let me know in the comments if that's a showstopper for you, if you like a wiper delete, or if you like, you know, being able to take these out in the rain. For me personally, if it's raining, I'm probably going to drive my truck or something versus one of the classics. But I'm curious to see what you guys think. We are going to keep this red. We're obviously going to take it down to bare metal, fix a lot of the little imperfections and rust spots in here that we found, and then paint it this same red again, the ticket getter red, I think they call it. A lot of names for that red, but it just was so cool and so dramatic when we got it, and it was a very cool car. But we are going to go ahead and put the Blueprint 426 Hemi in there, which is another crazy one. This is it, I think, just right behind Blue's hood here. Yeah. So this crate right here, but that is the engine that will go in this 70 Charger. You can see there's tons of Dynamat and stuff in here where we've been doing all the sound deadening work in here, and then this will go off to SV body and paint, and little imperfections like this right here. I don't know if you can see that. You can see there's a lot of, yeah, there it is. There's a few spots like this in the car, so we're gonna clean all of that up, make sure we get all the body work done, repaint it this incredible red, again, redo all the weather stripping. It's gonna get all new glass, and just be ready to be a RestoMods giveaway car, and that standard is incredibly high. We're on our 26th giveaway vehicle. I'll walk over here and show you guys the winners wall and all of our previous winners. But if you want to be our 26th winner, claim those quadruple entries before April 30th. So it's next Tuesday. Why not just do it right now? Head to RestoMods.com, claim your entries, and you could be taking home this beautiful 1969 Chevelle and $50,000 in cash. Let's go see your spot on the winners wall, like where you guys would go. So this right here is our winners wall. And you can see all the way back from RM1, all the way down the row of all the winners that we've had, all the different people we've gotten a chance to meet, all the supporters that we've had over the years. This was the original winner of the 69 Chevelle. This is Brody Neal. He took home $100,000 in cash, and he ended up buying himself a very practical vehicle for living in Iowa. But all these cool cars over the years. Our most recent winner goes here, but I think it's actually getting the hand lettering right now. So that'll go here. Recently we said goodbye to a beautiful 68 Charger just the other day. So make sure you check out that winner video. Joe, link it right here so people can check that out. And you could be joining us right here as the winner of RM26, this beautiful Chevelle right here, plus $50,000 in cash. So don't delay, head over to RestoMods.com right now and claim those quadruple entries. You could be taking home this Chevelle right here. We'll fly you to San Diego, we'll hang out, we'll shoot a bunch of videos, we'll drive the car around, put $50,000 in your pocket, and give you the keys to this beautiful one-of-a-kind Chevelle. Head over to RestoMods.com, claim those entries. Good luck.